Hello everyone, this is Surya and welcome to Be a Geek. In today's video, we are going to solve another problem from HackerRank Java currency formatter. And in this question, we're gonna have a double as an input, and we have to convert that double into different currency format. Let's say over there we have 4 different currency format: US, India, China, and France. And basically, this is our problem. We just have to convert our double into different currency formats, and let's read some important things from this question. So given a double precision number payment denoting a amount of money, use the number format class get currency instance method to convert payment into the US, India, Chinese, and French currency format. Then print the formatted values as following. So we have to print this into this format, where formatted payment is payment formatted according to the appropriate local currency. And there is a note: India does not have built-in locale, so you must construct one where the language is EN. So this is our basic format, and we have different locales for China, US, and France. We have built-in, but for India we does not have built-in locale, so we have to convert we have to build a locale for that, and we have to use number format and get currency instance to solve this problem. And we also have a code snippet over there, which I can just copy the main function from there, and this is our code from our last video. So this is our basic format, and over there we have our input as payment, and we have to convert that payment into different currency formats. So we have to use number class, number format class. So this is our number format class. Okay, and there we have a format currency. Okay, format currency or get currency instance. Okay, this is get currency instance method. So we have to use this method to convert our currency format, and we're gonna use currency format instance with locale so that we can convert our currency into another local format. So this is our main problem. So over there, the implementation of this currency format with the input locale, return a currency format for a specific locale. In locale, the desired locale, and let's see how we can do that. So what I can do, I can use a number format, and what I can do, I can use a number format dot get currency instance with a locale, and I can use locale for China, and this is the currency instance for China. And if I open the locale, and over there you can just see there are too many implementation for different regions. Okay, so English, French, German, Italian, Japan, but there is no implementation for India. So we have to construct a new locale for that. Now let's do the same for French. Let me just copy and paste this again and again. Okay, we have to use it France, and locale is here we have to do this for China, France, and US. So for US we have to provide a locale for US. So this is our locale for US, and for India we do not have in locale. So for that we have to create a new locale, and here we have 3 different locales: one with language, which we using over there, one with language and country, and another with language, country, and variant. So we're gonna use language and country, and according to the question, our language is EN, means English. So we use EN as language, and for country we can use IN because this represent India. So this is our implementation, and as you can see over there, we are printing this number format. So I can just change the name to France number format, to US number format, and India number format. So this is our correct implementation. Now we have different number formats for different countries. Now we have to convert that payment into different currencies. So let's say for China, let me create a string China, which we are printing over there. This is our string China, and for that I have to use this China number format, and then I will use a function format, and over there I will provide my payment. So this is my implementation for converting payment into China format using the currency instance with China locale. So this is our implementation for China, and let me do the same for France. And for France, France format number dot format, and I will provide payment over there. So this is the implementation for France, and let me do the same for US, and let me do the same again for India. So this is our final code, and let me just remove this command and run this code again. Let me put the currency over there, and if you see over there, we are getting different format for this payment, and for US we are getting into dollar, for India we are getting into rupees, for China we are getting into yuan, and for France we are getting into euro. So this is our final code. So what we are doing there, for India we have to create a different locale, a custom locale, and for China, France, and US we have built-in locale, and we are using number format, and from there we are getting currency instance with their respective locale, and using that currency instance we are formatting our currency into the specified country. And this is the code, and I can just copy this main method and paste it over HackerRank to solve this. And let me run this code and see our test case is getting succeed over there. And if you want to copy this code, there is a link in the description box. From there you can just go to this website, and you can copy this code and paste into the code editor of HackerRank and just submit this code, and you are good to go with your solution. You don't have to write, and by using this you can avoid some spelling mistakes and grammatical mistakes or syntax mistakes over there. And if you want to see another problems from HackerRank, you can see there all the questions from HackerRank, and I am uploading the solutions and videos for every question. You can just go there and solve these questions. For this video, I think we are good to go. And if you like this video and you able to understand what we are doing there, you can just give a like and subscribe to this channel. Let's meet into the next video where we will learn about Java strings. Thank you and bye bye.